What's the meaning of corpuscle? Corpuscle. Corpuscle.
Corpuscle. Corpuscle. The word corpuscle refers to a small particle or cell in the body, typically one that performs a specific function. These particles can range in size from microscopic to visible with the naked eye. They are found throughout the body, including in the blood and lymphatic system. Examples of corpuscles include red and white blood cells, platelets, and lymphocytes. These tiny particles play important roles in the body's immune system, oxygen transport, and clotting processes, among other functions. Overall, corpuscles are essential components of the human body and perform crucial tasks to maintain health and function.